Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogs and Frogs. My name's Ryan Peterson, for those of you who don't know. And that there is Lily. She's a monster. That's basically all I got. Today we're at Bernheim. It was supposed to be pouring down rain, which is what I was hoping for. But right now it's just kind of sprinkling. It does feel like it's starting to pick up slow and steady though. So yeah, basically we're gonna get out here, we're gonna get wet, we're gonna follow this trail that has a bunch of the giants on it. We're gonna go see some big giants and let Lily be a weirdo and try to eat everything along the way. So let's go eat some stuff. Hey guys, so my feetsies are wet now, but that's okay. We found this gorgeous butterfly, and yeah, little fella died drowning, but look at that gorgeous patterning. What type of butterfly is this, Olivia?
It was a swallowtail. Don't know what kind exactly, but it is it's a swallowtail. You can tell because they have the little pointy, like bottom part of their wings. All swallowtails have that. Yeah, they're my favorite kind of butterfly. Personally, I like the blue ones, but I think the yellow ones are really pretty too.
Gorgeous. Magic. We're gonna let this float back on the water. All majestic and beautiful, like, look at that. Sorry that you drowned, buddy. But what a gorgeous little butterfly. No, you don't get to eat it. Oh, where'd you go? That thing just disappeared into thin air. What on earth? They're frogs, but they're very fast. That one just disappeared. Come back. No! Phil! Oh, buddy, good job. His friend managed to escape, but I got him. Look at that cutie. Oh, and now he's playing dead. Look, Lily thinks it's a snack. Be nice. Yeah, see, be nice. No, don't eat it. Stop eating things. Oh, bye. Why do you try to eat everything? Don't eat everything. Got him. Oh no. Got away.
Sit. Lily, sit down. So we're out here with Lily. She just had a episode. Her and Ryan had a water fight. Honestly, I'm super tired and it's very humid out here, but I am glad we came. So look at this beautiful view.
Da 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 da. Yeah, here in the rain. It's raining a whole bunch right now. I'm still salty about that turtle mishap, but that's okay. We were gonna see the giants, but our route kind of took us in a different direction, so we're not gonna see the giants. We're just kind of out here enjoying the flippy flappy wetness. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're wet, but it was fun, and now I'm super tired, and it's time to go home and get some sleep, because we need sleep to be healthy and to adventure and to go see all these animals. So we love you, and thank you for watching Vlogs and Frogs. We hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!